And getting off to a bit of a warmer start as you step outside this morning. A little bit breezy, though. I wouldn't necessarily be running out there without a jacket as we get into these next couple of hours. Some of those wind gusts, though, are going to kick up around 25 to even 30 miles per hour, so you got to watch out for some of those trash cans. I think the bigger impact, though, with those breezy conditions, it's you allergy sufferers going to be feeling it just that much more with, again, that tree pollen circulating a lot more as we get into today. So keep that in mind as we get into your Tuesday. Latest on the feature track, though, temperatures at least working their way back towards 70 degrees despite all that cloud cover we're going to be tracking throughout the day, but at least we're staying dry. That's going to change as we get into the overnight hours. By 4 and 5 o'clock in some of our far westernmost counties, that's when those storms that'll develop out toward Kansas, Nebraska, and Oklahoma will push onto our doorstep and going to be closing in on Highway 63 by 7 and 8 o'clock. So again, the timing really hasn't changed. We think the evolution of this line is largely going to be at least in the waning process as it moves through mid-Missouri. Should pick up in intensity as it works into eastern Missouri and western Illinois by tomorrow morning. But it appears that we're in that Goldilocks zone where we're missing one big key ingredient. Moisture is a little bit hard to come by, but it's that instability. The fuel for some of those storms just doesn't look to be there to really be talking about a severe threat. But there is a low-end one nonetheless. Here's some damaging straight-line winds, the biggest concern with that leading edge of those storms. And could be picking up some heavy rainfall to boot as we get into tomorrow. We'll look how quickly we drop about 1.5 inches in short order as we roll through tomorrow morning. So keep an eye on that. Likely going to be an active start to the day and going to be dodging some showers and thunderstorms by Wednesday afternoon and then cooling back down pretty quickly as we get into Thursday. Highs back into the 40s, but we bounce back just like that as we get into this weekend.